All right, y'all. Enough of Grand Theft Auto. I'm gonna play a little Sonic. Okay. All right. All right. Well, let me just line up a little bit. Okay. What the heck is going on? They woting something? Alright. Which one should I play? Play. Well. Alright. Alright. Yeah, on the rainy day. Yeah, but you know some people don't like this from time to time, you know. Try to do it Reginald's way. Well, too bad you can't do a spin dash on this one. Alright. Alright, so oh no! Yeah, this game used to be for my cousin Reginald. Well, he the first one in the family to get this. But I still apologize for the screen, y'all. I don't know what happened to the screen though. You know. Well, enough is enough about that. So let's watch a few more clips.